Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial number 8 in our Coohom series. In today's video, we'll be making the final adjustment to our project before moving on to creating 3D renders. We'll focus on refining materials and perfecting the overall look so everything is polished and ready for rendering. So let's dive in and get everything just right. First of all, I would like to start by adjusting the floor tile. So just select the floor and go to floor editing. Once opened, select the floor again and click edit paving. And from here, you can just go to the model catalog and let's just come here and type something like carpet parquet. Just scroll down and let's go with this light one. Place it in the corner, then select it again and go to set as paving scheme, select grid, and then it will be done. Click save and exit the paving editor. Exit again. Basically, the mood I am trying to achieve is almost similar to this one. So with the wood and black. So let's work a bit on the dining table. I would like to keep this surface exactly like this slab marble, and the legs will be wood texture. And to do so, we are just going to grab the material brush, pick the material, and then paint it like this. Don't worry about the orientation because we are going to adjust it later. Again, pick this material and apply it to the surface. Now select the table, go to material editor, select the wood texture and rotate it with 90 degrees. Click done to come back. Go to the material brush again, pick the black color of this cabinet and paste it here. For the sofa, we'll change the color or the texture to a gray fabric. And to do so, maybe you can just copy this one from the dining chair and apply it. So pick the material brush again. And here we go. And that's it for today. This is generally what we are aiming to do. But remember, don't feel limited to what you see in this video. Be creative and explore your own ideas. In the next tutorial, we'll dive into creating the 3D renders. So make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.